Hello students, today in this video I will explain about catabolism of heme. Catabolism of heme gives bile pigments like bilirubin and biliverdin. Sources of hemes are RBCs, other heme containing proteins like myoglobin, cytochromes and infective erythropoiesis. There are some sites at which catabolism of heme performed like reticuloendothelium cell of liver, spleen and bone marrow. Around 6 grams of heme is degraded per day. There are some steps that covers the degradation process of heme. First, formation of bilirubin from heme, second uptake of bilirubin by liver, next conjugation of bilirubin with albumin protein, next fate of bilirubin like secretion of bilirubin into bile, formation of urobilins in the intestine and excretion in the urine and stool. Now I will explain about catabolic pathway of heme. Step 1, formation of bilirubin. Heme oxygenase utilizes NADPH and oxygen and it converts heme into biliverdin. Simultaneously in this process ferrous ion is oxidized to ferric ion and it also releases carbon monoxide. Then in next step biliverdin is reduced to bilirubin and this reaction is catalyzed by NADPH dependent soluble enzyme biliverdin reductase. Bilirubin is lipophilic in nature and is transported in the plasma in a bound form to albumin. Step 2, uptake and conjugation of bilirubin in liver. The albumin-bilirubin complex enters the liver where bilirubin dissociates and is taken up by liver by carrier-mediated active transport, and it is conjugated with 2 molecules of gluconic acid which is supplied by 2 molecules of UDP gluconic acid. This reaction is catalyzed by bilirubin gluconyl transferase enzyme and it results in the formation of water-soluble bilirubin digluconide compound. Then this compound enters in intestine. This is a rate limiting step which is mediated by multispecific organ anion transporter. This is MOT and this enzyme bilirubin gluconide transferase can be induced by a number of drugs like phenobarbital. Step 3, fate of bilirubin. Bilirubin digluconide is hydrolyzed in the intestine by specific bacterial enzyme namely beta-glucuronidase to liberate bilirubin. The later is converted to urobilinogen which is a colorless compound, a small part of which may be reabsorbed into the circulation. Urobilinogen can be converted to urobilin which is a yellow color compound in kidney and it is excreted through urine. A major part of urobilinogen is converted by bacteria to stercobilin which is excreted along with feces. The characteristic brown color of feces is due to stercobilin.